Hey guys, there's an update on Hobby. I got the Mac build working. I'll just show you guys. So it works out fine. I tested the entire thing works full screen, everything, all of that works properly, no issues. Yeah, but then there are several complications with Mac, so to speak. So I tried to go with the developer account because we need to sign the Mac developer build, but I'm constantly getting this. I have a support ticket running with Apple. And even after this, to complete registration, I think I will require something called a DUNS number, which I had already applied for like couple of weeks back, specifically for another product in uh, Chrome extension for Chrome Store. So this will probably take up till June to actually complete. So in the meantime, what I've done is the build is available. Like you guys can download and install it, but there are extra security checks that will come into play before you can actually go ahead and install it. So I'll just show you guys how to go about it. So first of all, I just make this a clean install by deleting this. Right. So what you do is go to getovi.in and go down, download the Mac Apple Silicon build. I've already downloaded it here. Open it up. It will say, okay, there is some issue, cannot be opened, could not verify. Move to bin or done. Okay, don't click on move to bin. It will delete the installer. Just click on done and let it be the way it is. Then what you have to do is go into your settings. Once you're in settings, you'll have to go to privacy and security. Below this, you'll see something like this. Okay, this was blocked to protect you. Um, you can open it anyway if you want. So you have to click on open it, and then you'll get another confirmation move to bin or open anyway. Then you click open anyway, and then it'll ask you for your password. And then you finally get the installer of moving to the applications. You click on this, drag it up. So it is done. I've heard the sound of the installing all that stuff. Now if I go to this, the application is now available and could not verify NS-free malware could harm your system again. So another security pop-up comes up. Do not move to win. Just click on done. See now it's back here again. Or we was blocked to protect your Mac, and then you click on open anyways. Right? Again, this pop-up comes up and you open anyway. Again with the password. Now it's opening up. So this is just a one-time thing for now until I'm able to get all the accounts in place and complete signing. But now if I open this up, now the security warnings are gone. Um, I think it's going to take a bit of time, specifically even if I am complete the Apple developer account and have to pay $100 for that. There's no issue on uh, get completing the process. It's just that Apple needs to allow me to enroll. So if I open this up, go back here, click on enroll, and I'm still stuck here. So I have a support ticket running with this, and even after this, the completing the process with the GST number and everything will require a bit of time. So that's gonna take 1.5 months, I think. So I don't think the security issue will go away before then. But till then, if you guys want to use this on Mac, this is the process. Right, perfect. Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye.